few clothes changes. Yeah. So let's see if we can give her a t-shirt and shorts, maybe. Yeah. So I had copied these shorts. Let's ungroup it and remove the inside parts. And I'm going to delete. I brought the shorts that I'm using as a reference. We can always make that with a square. What color shorts should we have? Blue? Okay, so we have purple shorts. And let's not do an outline for these shorts, okay? So the thing is that I did not select it, so now it's selected. And so here is the girl with the dress. Here is the girl. We are going to move the dress. And we're going to give her shorts. Oopsie, shorts are too small. So let's make it like, oops, see, we moved that leg, that doesn't matter. Let's see if we can move these shorts. Yeah, I think I'm going to make trousers instead. I don't want to make shorts, make like a breeze. Yeah. So remember, reshape, move. Now I'm going to take the dress, and remember this was actually like a little banyan kind of thing, and we would use that banyan. So I'm going to use the dress and turn the dress into here. I can do the shift and I can use shift and select to, or I can just drag it and select it. Delete that. And pull this down. Maybe no. Okay. I have a bird saying that we want a pink t-shirt. I was thinking more yellow, but all right, let's go with this color combination then. Let's put the t-shirt in front. So now the hair needs to go in. Oops. So now we need to, the hair goes in front. Always be aware of which arrow. It's very easy to. Yeah, here we go. I just take this arrow here and take this here. Here we go. Let's say you want to make a little pattern on it. Okay, so very simple. What color? Okay, I'm just showing you a little pattern. So let's say we do a little pattern. So something like that. And this is just actually this. So what we can do is we delete. We can just do a copy and paste. Yeah, so I'm just doing simple circles. You can do anything. You can give a design to the shape of the t-shirt. You can here. Now, what's really important is that see, this needs to be good together. Yeah. All right. So we have now another set of clothing. We have a dress. We have one more change of clothing. Thank you.